The learned standing counsel on behalf of state has opposed the petition and has urged that the position memo is final. The petitioners did not choose to challenge the notifications, and after the original tenure holders had failed in a challenge raised to the notifications and three writ petitions had been dismissed, that the present writ petition came to be filed. It is also submitted that the acquisition proceedings in respect of village Sultanpur have also been upheld in the case of Gajraj Singh Supra, and in the aforesaid circumstances, the said judgment would be binding in the present case as well. The challenge raised is by fence sitters in the circumstances indicated above, which should not be entertained so as to defeat the public purpose of acquisition that has already been given effect to. On the strength of the records, it has been urged that the possession is evident by a memo, and no evidence to the contrary having been shown, the factum of possession having been taken on 25 January 2010 cannot be disputed. This is also evident from the award dated 7 September 2011, where this fact is recorded and the date of possession is mentioned as 25 January 2010. The compensation has been awarded to all tenure holders, and if there is any dispute with regard to compensation, it is for the petitioners to approach the appropriate authority in accordance with law. But so far as acquisition is concerned, the same is complete, and none of the grounds raised are available to the petitioners. There is no occasion to treat the proceedings to have lapsed as urged, and the petitioners have been unable to identify or locate the area and the boundaries of their plots about which they are staking their claims, which is limited only to the extent of their sale deeds and not of the entire plot number 6 to 5. It is submitted that major part of the plot having been acquired and having been contested by the recorded tenure holders who have lost the battle, there is no occasion to consider the relief paid for a very small chunk of land of the petitioners. Thus, challenge to the acquisition proceedings must fail and the writ petition deserves to be dismissed. Para. Shri Ramendra Pratap Singh, Learned Counsel for the Respondent, number 3, Development Authority, has urged that the acquisition proceedings have become final, and in view of the judgment in the case of New Okhla Industry Development Authority versus Harkishan, dead through legal representatives and others, 2017 under bracket 3 SCC 588, the provision of section 11A of the Act are not available to be invoked for treating the proceedings to have lapsed. He has further invited the attention of the court, paragraph number 66 of the judgment, to substantiate his submissions, and he has supported the stand taken by the state government. He has also urged that the records produced by the state and by the authorities establish the actual possession having been taken and the petitioners have failed to establish and identify their land, there is no occasion to entertain this writ petition. Over.